Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a haul. It's kind of a random haul. I went to HomeGoods and I picked up some stuff from Ross and even from Overstock. So it's going to be like a free-for-all. So I'm just going to talk about all the stuff that I got and I'll let you know where I got it. Yeah. So before we get into the video, I just want to give you guys a thank you and a warm hug from me just to show my appreciation for all the love and support that you've been showing me. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I do a lot of hauls. I do a bunch of different videos, makeup videos, and I just have a lot more things that I plan on doing in the future. But yeah, let's go ahead and join the family and let's get started with this video. So for the first thing that I have is from Ross, and it's this stool here. It's gold legs and it has like a furry top, like, you know, like what they have now from the little that shaggy rug kind of look. So I picked it up. I thought it was so cute to go in my office, and it's really comfortable. It was $34.99, and that is a really good deal because I've been looking for one, and that was the price range I was looking to spend. I didn't want to spend anything more than like $40, so I thought it was a really good deal, and I picked it up for $34.99. So yeah, you can't beat that. And the next thing that I have is from, I think it's from HomeGoods. It's just a butcher's block, a cutting board for my kitchen. I have a really big one already in the kitchen next to the sink, and I probably plan on putting this one beside the stove because I have a lot of pots and stuff. When I'm adding stuff to the pots when I'm cooking, it tends to get messy over there, and I cook with a lot of spices and stuff, and to prevent the staining on my marble, I wanted to have something to protect it. I was also looking into the silicone protectors for the marble. I found some on Amazon and Walmart, but I haven't picked it up yet, so I'll probably be picking up that soon. So yeah, this is just a regular chopping board. I don't see the size on here. Let's see, 18 by 12 inches. So that's pretty good, and it's pretty weighty, so it's going to be very sturdy. All right, let's go to the next item that I got. All right, so the next thing that I got are these glasses. It's 6 champagne glasses. It came in this box. Let's open it. I love the shape of these glasses. Let me see if I can bring it up closer to you. So these are the shapes of the glasses. I just love how delicate they look and very modern. So I think this would really go nice in my kitchen. So of course I picked it up. Yeah, so this was on sale for $12. So I thought that was a really good deal. Couldn't pass that up. Alright, the other things are about like spa type stuff that I picked up for my bathroom. I want to have like a designated area when I take my mommy baths. So I'm picking up a few things here and there so I can incorporate everything and do like a little spa tray. I haven't really found a tray that's big enough for my tub, so I will probably end up making one, a DIY one. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. That will be my very first time trying that, so hopefully it goes well. So this is a vanity tray. It's made of bamboo, and it was on sale for $5. And it's just a little tray, and you can put anything on it. Right here they display like a little glass container for the bathroom, and then like, you know, a little tray with holding stuff. But I plan on putting like my bath salts on here, and bamboo is really good for being around like water areas, an area that's wet, because bamboo doesn't really tend to swell a lot. It takes the moisture in really good. And if you notice, the bamboos are usually around a lot of water. It grows around a lot of water. So it's a really sturdy, eco-friendly, water resistant. It says it's naturally water resistant, so we already know that. But it's very sturdy. It's just very sturdy, so that's why I picked this up. And the next thing that I have is this comfort cushion spa pillow. I already have a pillow, but it's so old. Sometimes it deflates when I use it. It's very, very old. It lasted me quite a few years, so I figured it was time for me to pick up another one. It was $4.99, and from the back here, it actually opens and it sticks onto the tub. So it opens like this, and it has the little suction cups here, and you can just stick it onto the tub so it doesn't, there's no slipping. The other one that I had the suction cups, but they were removable, so every time I actually placed them on the tub, they were sliding, and it was getting unhooked, and I never really used the suction. So hopefully this is better with these suctions, so I'll give it a try. Alright, the next few things are for the kitchen. So this I got is Cuisine Art. It's just spoons, kitchen spoons. I've been looking for more earth tone wood spoons and other kitchen essentials, just so I can, because right now I have a lot of black, which my kitchen was like red and black way back when. So I am trying to change the color of all of the spoons little by little, and you know, the cooking forks and stuff. So I love the earth tone colors, the wood colors, and of course this is made, I don't know, where is it? Is it made out of, I don't know what it's made out of, what kind of wood it's made out of, but they're wood slotted spoons and turners. So these were $2 each. Really great deal. Alright, and as I said, you know, this little haul is random. It's a little all over the place with a little bit of things from here and there. This is from Marshall's. It is a Woolite 2-pack wool dryer balls. I wanted to try these because I've been trying to go more of like a holistic, natural way to do everything basically. So I usually get the dryer bounce, the dryer sheets. So I've been watching a lot of other YouTube videos where they're going natural and the things that they use. And one thing that I saw, I forgot whose video I was watching, I forgot. But I saw that they used the Woolite dryer balls. I didn't know where to find them. I think Target may have had some. But I was just in Marshall's and I randomly saw them and I was like, let me try it. It was $5.99, and they're actually wool balls, so they're balls of wool, and you can put the drops, the essential drops onto the balls and put them in your dryer, and it's supposed to help your clothes smell fresh and take the scent of the essential oil. So without any irritation. So we'll give it a try and see how that works. Alright, the next few things that I picked up are for the kitchen. These are from HomeGoods. These were $2.99, and they were actually these large wine glasses. As I told you guys in many videos, I have lots of wine glasses and they're always breaking, and I just keep rebuying them. So I figure that I can't go wrong with buying these plastic ones. They look like glass and they're just very nice. They're just very nice. So I picked up around 6 of them, I think I picked up. So I'm going to actually start using these this summer. I still have my old plastic cups that I was using last summer, and the kids love them. They use them all the time, and I just decided to have these, especially when I am out on the deck and I'm entertaining and we have people over. I'm going to be using these. Alright, so you guys know that I love throws. I've done hauls where I picked up a few different throws. This is a throw that I picked up. It was on sale for $39, and I am in love with it. It is very thick. It's a very thick throw, and it has the perfect blend of neutral colors in it. It has the tan and the beige and like the bone, and I just love the color of it. So I picked it up. It was a little steep for what I was looking to pay. The original price was $59.99, but I guess because they were switching them out, and you know sometimes when HomeGoods are switching out their inventory, they slash the prices. So there's nothing wrong with it. It was just they were switching out inventory. So I picked it up. It was only one. There was one that was actually the same that was not on sale. So I'm thinking maybe that inventory came in after this one. So that's what usually happens. So yeah, so I picked this up for $39 and I love it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this haul with me, and thank you again for all of your support. That is all that I have to share with you guys. I will see you guys in another video, and that's it.